Single leg bridge, to work your hips and hamstrings harder. To set yourself up, lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, abs tight and your bum muscles pinched together. Next, lift your hips, keeping a straight line between your shoulders, hips and knees. Extend one leg out, keeping your knees together. Hold this position for 30 seconds and focus on your breathing throughout, making sure throughout the 30 seconds your bum muscle is pinched together by keeping your hips towards the ceiling.